There's a lot of things in life that come naturally to us, something that we do every day that doesn't even cross our minds anymore just because of how normal it is, such as watching videos, listening to audios, typing on our keyboards, or scrolling through our phones. But what if I tell you that you can make money by doing those mundane things just for a couple of minutes every day? Sounds so real, right? Honestly, I won't blame you if you think that it sounds too good to be true, but it is. We found a legitimate website where you can earn money just by listening to different kinds of audio, then typing down what you hear. It's a very easy task and can be done by anyone. I bet even 4th graders can do it, so I'm sure you can too. No matter where you are in the world, you can do this method so you can get yourself a nice earning gig that can make you almost $25 to $70 a day depending on how many times you want to do it. Whether you're in Europe, Asia, or America, or anywhere at all, you can get started and earn money. No hard skills or prior experience is needed, just a bit of your time and effort. This isn't an MLM. There's no selling or affiliate marketing involved, and it's not a scam. It's 100% legitimate and easy. So follow along with the video where we teach you all the steps necessary so you can get started with making easy money online. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends so that you and everyone else will know of this great tip to earn money online. This is a very hearing-sensitive job, so make sure that if you're doing it, find a spot where there isn't much noise to distract you or keep you from understanding what's going on. Once you've found a room where you can have some peaceful privacy, start listening to audios. Type them down, save your work, and then submit. After that, you get paid. It's hassle-free and you don't need to worry about getting paid late. So I know you already can't wait to know what you need to do in order to be able to do a very easy job without any hard work required. Listen carefully because I'll walk you through the steps. Don't worry, the sign-up process is 100% free, so you don't have to worry about paying or investing anything just so you can get started. So to get started, what do we need to do? First and foremost, this is the most important step that will help us get started. To start, let's go to typingtest.com. This isn't where you'll be making money, but it will definitely help you in getting started and be able to get more jobs that'll make you money. This website is very direct and straightforward. All you have to do is complete a 60-second typing test. However, you can actually choose from different durations. So you can choose whether you want to do it for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or even 10 minutes. It's totally up to you. Remember, the more you do, the more you can get. But I recommend doing the 1-minute one because it's easy, fast, and it'll give you almost exact same results anyway. Now, on the second drop-down list, you can choose what kind of typing method you want to test. You can choose among the following: easy text, medium text, hard text, benchmark, tricky spelling, blind typing, story typing, themed, or professional. Now, just so we can do it more efficiently, click on the easy text for now. Click on Start Test. The page will show you the words you need to type on the screen. You just need to follow it as fast as accurately as possible. Once you start typing, the timer will start and record your typing skill, so make sure you do this well. After finishing the typing challenge, the site will analyze your score and show you the results right away. You'll see your typing speed, the accuracy, and how many words you got wrong, and your net speed. After you've sharpened up your typing, let's start putting those skills to use. Head on over to Revcom. And you will be redirected to the website that says Convert Audio and Video to Text. It's very straightforward and simple, right? You will listen to audios or watch videos, and all you have to do is type down what you hear. If you can understand this video that you're watching right now, you can for sure ace this typing job. But not just that, Revcom offers various other gigs too, and they pay even more. With transcription, the easiest one, you can earn $1.25 per minute. In captions, you will put subtitles on videos you're assigned to. This one also pays $1.25 per minute. But the last one, foreign subtitles, pays $3 to $7 per minute. Of course, this pays more because it's a bit more difficult to do. But if you're someone who can speak more than one language, this is definitely going to be an easy gig for you too. This is why this website is available worldwide, because they actually need people from other countries to translate transcriptions for them. Once you scroll further down their website, you can see more details about their company, so you should definitely read further to know more about their site. They're very transparent about their services, so you don't have to worry about getting scammed. They even show brands that they've worked with before. Then to get started in working in Revcom, scroll to the bottom part of the page and click on the white button that says Become a Freelancer, where you will be redirected to Rev's freelancing, work from home job application page. Right here, they endorse that you can work on your own time with a flexible schedule. You can choose from hundreds of jobs in terms of transcriptions. You'll never run out of ways to make money, and most of all, you can get paid weekly. So let's say you start working for Rev and get to earn $1.25 per minute. If you can work for even just 30 minutes a day, you can get $37.5 a day, which will add up to $187.5 for 5 days. Multiply that to 4 weeks in a month, and you'll be making $750 a month just by working 30 minutes a day. The earning potential is absolutely insane, so I recommend that you go apply for Revcom immediately. Besides, there's nothing to lose in trying because it is absolutely free to do so. Now, in order to become a freelancer for Rev, just look at the right side of the screen and start filling out the details. First name, last name, email address, the position you want. I recommend transcriptionist, and then the country you're from. Then click next. It's easy as that. Now that I've walked you through everything, you can go ahead and start doing it on your own. Remember that a little time and effort goes a long way, so don't be afraid to start. The website is 100% legitimate, so you don't have to worry about getting scammed. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some income online. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with your friends and be able to help out others too.